Am I the a-hole for struggling to take care of my newborn after my girlfriend passed away? I just brought my daughter home after losing my girlfriend during childbirth. We always used condoms, but one broke, and she didn't tell me about the pregnancy right away. She wanted to keep the baby, even if it meant putting her up for adoption. I wasn't ready to be a dad, but I told her I'd support whatever decision she made. A few months ago, her parents kicked her out, so she moved in with me. I've lived with my granddad for years, but he's been too sick to take care of himself. My girlfriend took parenting classes and met with a social worker, but we never made any solid plans for the baby. She went into labor a week and a half early, and now I'm home alone with our daughter. My mom left when I was 5, and I was never adopted. The foster system was tough, and I can't stand the idea of giving my daughter away and losing her forever, but I feel completely overwhelmed and don't know if I'm capable of taking care of her properly. I'm scared and have no idea what to do next.